Hello, my name is Andrew Sweeney and I work at Blanca Paloma School in Granada. Today I am going to discuss Wikipedia. So, as you can see on the screen in front of you, this is Wikipedia. It is in many languages. I am going to discuss it in terms of learning outcomes, what it can be used for, the impact of the tool, and finally, my experience with this tool. So, what can the learning outcomes be when you use this particular tool? Wikipedia is an online open encyclopedia. It contains thousands of pages of information. It is in a state of constant change. The pages are available in multiple languages. Students can incorporate statistics and facts into projects. Students should understand the validity of Wikipedia. It is open to the public, so cross-checking is important. What can you use it for? You can use it for presentations. It has a massive database with many topics covered. What is the impact of the tool? The tool helps students to start researching. It is very important that they use it wisely. Wikipedia is a source of information. It is up for the student to decide if it is reliable or not. For basic presentations, it is a helpful resource. What's your experience as a learner with this tool? It is a tool that I would not personally use. The source is not always reliable. If a user, however, cross-checks it, it can be helpful. Well, I hope with this small video that it becomes clear the uses of this very powerful tool. Thank you. Bye-bye.